Sa Ontario, pinalawak ang mga trabahong kwalipikado sa In-Demand Skills Stream Immigration Program ng probinsya. Pero sapat na nga ba ito para manatili sa Ontario ang mga manggagawang kailangan nila? May report si Paula Saraza.
This will really lead into an exodus of interested foreign workers who will now target Ontario.
Mahigit 30 pang mga trabaho ang dinagdag sa listahan ng eligible occupation sa ilalim ng Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program In-Demand Skills Stream. Kabilang dito ang home support workers, meat cutters, utility maintenance at machine operators. Mga trabahong kadalasang hindi kwalipikado sa express entry.
There is a competition between among provinces of Canada to attract skilled workers targeted in those areas where they are experiencing shortage. And so with this expansion, one thing that is being assured and addressed here is the need and the cry for from the employers to have a ready supply of skilled workers.
Dagdag na tsansa man para sa mga permanent residency applicants ang hakbang ng probinsya para mapanatili ang mga temporary workers. Naniniwala ang isang registered immigration consultant, marami pa ring mga pagsubok na hinaharap ang mga PR applicants. Ito raw ang madalas na dahilan kaya't napipilitan ng ilan na lumipat ng probinsya. At ang pagpapalawak sa nasabing stream, posible raw mauwi sa mas matindi pang kompetisyon sa probinsya.
We have to consider also that this will experience congestion dahil most foreign workers targets Ontario. Ontario is the most attractive destination. And so, dumami itong job opportunities at dadagsa yung application. And this will affect somehow their chances because this will lead into tight competition.
Tulad ng ibang mga immigration program at PR pathway, may point system din sa in-demand skill stream. Mas malaki ang makukuhang points kung sa labas ng GTA ang trabaho.
Here, the more you go on the outskirts of Ontario, in rural areas, in Durham, Halton, Peel, the more you get points. But how can, the chances of finding an employer there who can give a job offer is quite really very challenging.
Kabilang sa mga basic requirements para maging kwalipikado sa OINP In-Demand Skill Stream, ang permanenteng job offer sa isa sa mga inilistang job occupations, minimum 9 months work experience, level 4 na English o French language proficiency, at edukasyon na katumbas ng Canadian High School diploma.
This is a good opportunity for you to consider, a good option for you to consider. And if you go to the website of the Ontario Immigration Nomination Program, OINP, the process is very straightforward.
Disyembre noong nakalipas na taon pa huling nagkaroon ng draw sa OINP In-Demand Skill Stream. Mahigit 1,000 ang naimbitahan maging permanent resident sa ilalim ng nasabing stream noong 2023. Wala pang detalye sa ngayon kung kailan ang susunod na draw. Paula Saraza, Omni News, Toronto.